Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, promo code and discount. This is yours Jageswar. If you are looking to save money whether on your next order or your next purchase or flight or ride, don't be worried, you are on the right page. In this video, I will show you how to get $350 off coupon code on Delta for your next flight. So watch the full video to unlock ultimate money saving secrets. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated. First of all, you have to open your preferred browser on your device, whether you are using smartphone or desktop. Let me open the Chrome browser here on my device. Once you open the browser, you will be on your home page of the browser, and here at the top of your device, there you can see a search bar. You will need to type Delta coupon codes and search for it. Once you click on the search button, there you will find links of different websites. You can head over towards any one of these websites, and with that you will get discount on your flight. But among these websites, this one CouponFlow is the iconic website where you will find incredible deals and offers for your Delta flights, which you are not going to find anywhere else. This site is mostly known for its user-friendly interface, regularly updated offers, and vast selection of retailers. So go ahead and click on this link, and this will bring up a list of available coupon codes and deals for Delta. And here you can see tons of offers including discount on specific orders like $250 off, $350 off, $250 off, 80% off, $350 off, and so on. You can grab any one of these offers. And for that, what you need to do is, you need to just simply click on the offer which is best suited to you. Once you click on the offer, that will open the detailed page of that offer along with the code. Let us click on this offer, that is $350 off, and with that we will get code for that offer. You can see here is the code for that offer. Here under offer details, you will need to check the expiration date of the code. Make sure that the code is not expired. And if the code is not expired, you will need to click on this copy option, and this will copy the code. Let me click here, and with that the code will be copied. Once the code is copied, now you will need to click on the redeem option which is just below the code, and with that you will be led into the official website of Delta. Let me click here. Once you are on the official website of Delta, there you will need to log in into your Delta account. If you don't have Delta account, then first you will need to create an account, and after that you can log in into it. Once you are logged in into your Delta account, thereafter you can book your flight, and you will need to move to the checkout page. At the checkout page, you will find a section of the code where you will need to paste the code which you copied previously and confirm your flight. And with that, you will get discount applied to your flight. It's that easy. In this way, you can save significant amount of money on your flight. Now friends, let's head back to the CouponFlow page. Likewise, you can also try other offers which are available here. You will need to use the same exact steps, and with that you will get discount on your offer. But make sure that the code is not expired. And if the code is not expired, you will get discount. But in case the code is expired, then you are not going to get any discount on your flight. Now let's head back to the home page of our browser. You can see here is our CouponFlow website. Beside this CouponFlow website, there are other websites as well as. You can check out that website too, and from there also you can save significant amount of money on your next flight. So friends, that's all about how to get $350 off coupon code on Delta for your next flight. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Another most significantly, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notification of our every latest money saving tips and tricks at first. Nextly, if you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a happy saving.